Right there. Shelly. 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 Grab it. Oh, guys, crack-a-lackin' crackheads, what's going on? My name is Jack.
I'm JC.
And guys, guess what? Today we are snuggled as a bug in a rug. You know what I'm saying?
I was trying to think of another rhyme for that.
Yeah, me too. Snug.
Hug.
Yes, we're dogs now. Anyways, guys, hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we are laying in bed as usual.
I just wanted to snuggle with you.
Well, your persuasion is working. She laid on top of you and I was like, I'm being persuaded.
He was screaming it at the top of his lungs.
No, I'm being persuaded. No, no. Anyways, we don't really know what's going on today. As soon as we do, we will be sure to let you know. But in the meantime, we're gonna go get food.
Yes, please.
Girl, this is not a good angle for you.
Oh, I'm sweating. You're making me nervous.
Whoa, what was that? Do you have a belly button ring?
No?
I know that.
What?
You wanna know what they called me back in my glory days?
What?
The cheek clapper.
Gross, I don't want to hear that. Give yourself another nickname.
I didn't give myself that. It wasn't like I was walking around like, I want to be called cheek clapper. Call me cheek clapper. No, people gave me that nickname. I wanted to be called Featherhawk. Flaming Featherhawk of the sky. That's what I wanted to be called. And you know what people called me?
Cheek kill.
No, they just straight up called me dumb. And I was like, what the heck? For some reason, it looks like we're in heaven right now. And you're my little angel.
Are we not in heaven?
I'm sure as hell not with you around. Oh! What'd you say, JC? Would you like to repeat what you just said for the content?
I'm not going to.
Why not?
I'm not saying it.
Why?
Because it's embarrassing.
What's so embarrassing? It's a basic human function. Actually,
it's
no,
not.
it's not.
No, it's not at all.
You know what, guys? If you think you have a good guess at what JC just got done saying, make sure you comment it down below. I'm interested in seeing how wrong all of you can be. So imagine you're on a date with a guy, and the first thing he says is, I just really like to be referred to as Tubby.
The sad thing is, people actually called me Tubby in high school. So that like brings back flashbacks.
Yes. The fact that a 105-pound Asian girl can have PTSD of the term Tubby is, hold on, I'm,
Are you gonna sneeze?
no, I'm about to shit myself. Oh God, crack-a-lack it. What do you say we play a prank on the government and just steal that? It's just a prank, dude.
It's just a prank.
It's just a prank. Yeah, it's for a YouTube video, dude. What's with the handcuffs? Whoa! Excuse me? There's kids watching, including me. I'm sorry, what do you want me to
How are you
do?
not just putting your ass off?
Because... Whoa! Copyrighted music! We'll let it cool down here for a second. For some reason, my ear is like full of air or water. It feels and sounds like someone's sticking their tongue down my ear.
You need to stand like that and then jump. Not right now.
I just start hitting my... Hey, what's up, guys? Okay guys, so you saw the title and thumbnail of this video, Crack-a-Lack and Crackheads. We are in for a good one. You guys know JC has been pranking me back to back to back, and I have not answered. I have not retaliated. Team Jack has been slacking, and I'm tired of it, okay? This is an abomination. I have to step it up. When I started dating the 105 Filipino Asian of pure awesomeness and glory, I had no idea she would be a prank queen by now. I didn't sign up for this. I just wanted a pretty girl to follow me around while I go to Best Buy. But instead, I gotta watch my left and right. I don't know. Is someone in the vent? Am I being watched? I don't know, guys. I'm nervous. I'm scared almost 24/7. This is real war. And the only way to survive real war, we all know this, is to nuke. And so that is exactly what we're going to do today. I'm gonna watch a movie with JC, and JC has this bad habit of every time we watch a movie, she'll end up falling asleep. So what I'm hoping is if she falls asleep, I'm gonna act falling asleep, and then I'm going to start saying some really dirty things in my sleep. If you had told me, Jack, when you're 21 years old, this is what you're gonna be doing, I would not have denied it, to be honest. I have no shame. But Crack-a-Lack and Crackheads, J&J fam, let's do this. Listen up, everyone. I messed up. JC and I never ended up actually trying to take a nap, so I never had the opportunity to do this. So I may not even be able to do this today, but if I can, I sure as heck will. I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up going to my parents' house after this and seeing my dog, so that's gonna be exciting. Hopefully that exhausts JC, and hopefully for whatever reason she decides we need to take a nap. So yeah, bear with me and be a little patient. It's gonna happen. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm a fat lard.
Did you just take a gnarly
I just took a big old deuce. I sent you a picture, check your Snapchat. Psych, I don't do that out in public, guys. Only when I'm at my apartment, because otherwise that would be really weird. Anyways, are you tired at all? Are you feeling a little drowsy? I'm feeling a little drowsy. I don't know. I've just been kind of feeling a little out. I think it's the allergies.
I don't have allergies.
It's making me, you don't have allergies?
Nope.
That makes me so upset. If you have allergies, comment down below. Let's complain together. Let's talk about it. Let's feel for each other. The J&J fam, we gotta start talking about our issues, man. I personally don't feel like this got enough credit.
You look so good in that.
Thank you, babe. I appreciate you. I killed it.
You look ripped and tan and sun-kissed.
Exactly. How did it not go viral?
I wanted you to sing Gary Come Home.
I don't know that one. That episode like literally made me sad.
Gary Come Home?
No, it's Gary Come Home.
There's
Gary.
one with Perry, the platypus.
Hey man, let's talk about Dr. Doofenshmirtz's younger daughter, man.
Vanessa.
Hey, Vanessa was hot back in the day, man.
And she just hated her dad, and it
Oh
was
my,
so bad.
she had daddy issues, if you know what I'm saying.
Okay, just your friendly reminder to always be kind to everyone you see. A lot of people are going through things behind the scenes that you necessarily don't realize or see. So just remember, everyone's fighting their own battle, so please be kind to everyone. You may not agree with something they do, you might dislike them, but as long as they're not directly affecting you, don't make it a problem. Be kind to people, it's not that difficult. Don't say things to other people that you wouldn't want to be said to you. Treat people with kindness, and people will appreciate it and notice it.
Yes. Oh, don't stop. Oh. Yeah. Right there. That feels good. Oh, God. Yeah. Oh. Feels so good. Meow. Oh, God. Here it comes. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh. Yeah. Like a baby. Huh? Huh? Oh, Shelly. 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 Grab it. Oh, Shelly. Shelly.
Oh my god.
Oh,
There's no way this
hey,
is
can you be quiet? This dream's getting really good right about here.
What?
Shelly's getting on top of me.
Wake up.
No, you're gonna ruin the dream. Shh.
Who's Shelly?
Oh, Shelly! Shelly! Oh, pinch it! Beat it! Snip it! Suck it! Pop it! Oh, tenderize me! I'm a stinky sirloin! Do it all! Oh, God! Shelly! Shelly! No! Untie me! Shelly! Ah, that's my belly button! I don't like it there! I don't want it there! No! No! Oh, it hurts!
Wake up.
The dream's getting ruined. No, God, Shelly! Shelly, not the saddle! Shelly, no! I didn't know! I didn't know! Oh, Shelly!
You done?
Oh, God.
No, it's Shelly.
Oh, what?
I saw the camera, you dumb.
What? Where am I?
Shut your mouth.
I had a weird dream about spaceships and Bob the Builder. Somebody.
What?
Why are you awake? Oh, I forgot I put that there.
Halfway through when I started shaking you and you weren't waking up, I was like...
Do I need to change shorts? You weren't really reacting, so I was like, what do I do? Shelly!
I started spazzing out. It was like,
Do you still like me?
No.
Come here, my bear.
It was really confused at first.
I put on a show for y'all. That deserving of a like, turn on video notifications, and check out my gaming channel. Also, watch our TikToks. They're good. They don't get the credit they deserve. Oh, my sweet bear. Oh, God.
That was crazy. Who's Shelly?
I don't know why that name came to my head. If there's a Shelly watching, I apologize. What's up, guys? So after that, we ended up pretty much just going out to eat with my family and doing nothing afterwards. We even forgot to film an outro, which I don't think is too big of a deal, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys are taking it one day at a time. Spit, slap, and tickle. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jack. I'm trying to think of a better outro eventually, but until then, not happening. I really appreciate you guys making it this far in the video. If you did, you clearly liked something, so leave a like, and I will catch you later, crackheads.